This is Amanda, the Nerdy Krafter, and I'm here today with my end of March wrap up and my April goals for the Paper Sash Smash collab group. And March was non 12 by 12 paper pads, collections, or sheets. I did bring in some 12 by 12, but they're cut apart, so I don't generally count them as 12 by 12 since I have to cut them apart smaller anyways. And this month's theme was primarily working with Cards for Cubs, which is an organization, a nonprofit arm of Barely Arts Glue, and they make encouragement and birthday cards for kids in foster care. So I was on LV Handcrafted Lynn's live stream on March 2nd, and I was able to complete 40 cards there for birthday cards in my 2-hour block that I was on. And then I worked on some more throughout the month, and I was able to finish 100 birthday cards and 10 encouragement cards, and those are going out in the mail. They went out yesterday. So, or actually, sorry, 2 days ago. I'm filming this on Sunday, so this is now Wednesday when you're seeing this. So I was able to get 110 cards for Cards for Cubs. I'm still participating in my Art Impressions Make It Simple Monday, so I was able to do 5 Mondays this month of the most cute and adorable Easter cards. Card Chaos, I was on there live, and I was able to do 2 cards for one live, and then the week before I did a dry run and did 2 cards for that live. And then Local King Rubber Stamp, I took a class with them as a virtual class, and I was able to do 12 cards. And with all of these, I was able to pull in some of my scraps, get rid of different stuff that I had just sitting around, and that was kind of my goal. Like, I really wanted to dig into my 6x6 paper pads, my scraps, and just really work through what I had. So that was the goal for me personally this month. Here, I was able to smash a whole 6x6 paper pad from Art Impressions. It was their birthday collection that I received last month when I did a live on Nancy Stamp's site. So I was able to smash that. This is the only little piece I have left, so I'm considering that smashed. I love this All In Create layered up washi tape, and this is their, they are the little macaroons. So I use this for the Cards for Cubs for some of their cards, and there's only one little strip left on the roll here, so I was able to smash this. And then a number of 12 by 12 cut apart sheets that I used my scraps and other 6x6 paper that I had in my stash. I have a plethora of scraps that people have gifted to me, so I am so excited to be able to slowly work through that and get rid of that from my collection. So, okay, so let's go on now. All of that is now been purged from my supply. Everything's going straight in the trash that's not being used. So I was able to complete 131 cards. All of them are out in the mail, so you'll have to go back and look at some of my other videos to see those images that of the cards that I created. And then let's talk about April. So the goal for April, so this was my goals for March, and I was going to bring in a Love from Lizzie kit. Unfortunately, I just didn't get to that one this time around, so I'll bring that back the next time my non 12 by 12 packs come in. But let's go on to April. And April is similar to what January. So every quarter we cycle through the same 3 themes. So April, I'm going to go back and do the exact same thing that I did for January is UFO, and another goal is my scraps. So UFO for me is called Unfinished Objects. So I have a bunch of things in my collection from these beautiful card fronts that I've made, and I've just never turned them into cards. And then as I've been going through my collection over, and cleaning more, I found here some more of these All In Create images where I've made the fronts, but I have not gone through and turned them into cards yet. Beautiful hummingbirds. So I want to go through and turn all of these into cards. So that is on my list. Don't get mad at me, but this was my unfinished objects box that I had filled and almost completed in January, and I have added things to it throughout the month. So as I find different things, this really cute Winnie the Pooh that just needs to be colored and put together, a Christmas tree, just random things in here. These are just little keepsake envelopes that need to find a new home. But just some things that I need to go through and look at this gorgeous foil Better Press plate. Absolutely beautiful. This was foiled, so just needs to add a little color to it and put it on a card front. Half finished image here. Some card fronts. So just a collection of different things in here that need to find a new home and either be put away and or used up. So that is going to be the goal for this month, is getting rid of the stuff that I have in my collection and getting these unfinished objects completed. I will also be continuing along with my Art Impressions Way Make It Simple Monday, and April's theme is buds and vases. So I will be bringing in some different of my 6x6 paper packs and or my scraps and really working through them this month. So thank you so much for joining me. This collaboration is co-hosted by Debbie at Project 39 Mini Albums and Karolina with Karolina Crafts. And this digital that I'm using is from Letty at Party Paper Papery. Yay, I said it right, Letty. Thank you so much. I love these. It helps me keep me organized and keeps me on track with all the amazing things I'm trying to accomplish this year. But if we go back and count, just in the first quarter, I was able to make, goodness, over 70 cards. So 370 cards, doing quick math, in that first quarter. The goal for me is not to, per se, make that many cards, but really use what I have and get things into my collection. So a lot of these were donations. They went out to great organizations, selling some at some craft fairs that I participate in. But most of these are just gifts that go out to people that need them. So absolutely wonderful. I'm so excited to see what March holds. I'm assuming we will get through quite a few cards this month, just simply because a lot of them are just in pieces that need to be put together. So I will try to do a flip through and show you some of the cards that we make for this month. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you throughout the month. Take care.